So, tuturuan ko kayo mag-CVC word. And then, story siya. Short stories. At yung mababasa nyo dito sa CVC ay lahat ng dito ay CVC. Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. So, ito na yung part 2. Tapos na tayo sa The Healthy Man, tsaka sa Gobstep, at tsaka kay Dean's Bag, at dito na tayo kay Tim, yung kid. Tim is a kid. He has a big team. Ulit. Tim is a kid. He has a bib. Ulit. One more time. Tim is a kid. He has a bib. Yes. Tim is in the crib. Question number 1. Who is a kid? Sino daw ang bata? A. Tim. B. Kid. The answer is Tim. Hindi yung team ha, hindi yung group. Question number 2. What does Tim have? Ano daw ang meron si Tim? A. Bib or B. Crib. He has a bib. The answer is letter A. Now, question number 3. Where is Tim? Asan daw si Tim? A. Bib or D. Crib. Syempre naman, guys. The answer is crib. And tapos na tayo dito. We're done to Tim. Kid. Tim is a kid. The big pig. Jig is a pig. He's a big pig. Jig fell into a pit. Question number 1. What is the name of the pig? Ano daw ang pangalan ng pig? A. Jig or letter D. Pig. Or letter C. Big. The answer is Jig. Question number 2. Where did Jig fell? Asan daw siya na fell? The answer is pit. Question number 3. What can't you say about Jig? Ano daw ang masasabi mo kay Jig? A.
First blood?
Big, mataba siya or malaki? Or letter D, pit, Jig. The answer is letter A, big. We're done to the big pig. We are done to the big. And the next is Jean's pin. Jean has a pin. She has 6 pins. The pins are in the bin. Question number 1. Who has a pin? Sino daw ang mayroong pin? The answer is Jean. Question number 2. How many pins does